it so hard? Is it really so hard to just apologize? You could have done more. You could have done better. I know you could have. I've seen you do it for others. Why wasn't I worth that? Why?